Welcome to my channel. Children, in last video we were discussing about the relationship between various thermodynamical parameters such as volume, pressure and temperature in an adiabatic process. And under various relations various relations the first relation between P and V, relation between P and V, that is nothing but P V to the power gamma is equal to constant, that is P V P1 V1 to the power gamma is equal to P2 V2 to the power gamma. Now let us try to understand. There are different types of relations you should study for your competitive examination purpose. Relation between volume and temperature. Relation between volume and temperature. Temperature, that is V and T. And another relation between pressure and temperature. Between pressure and temperature. That is P and T. Next, fourth one, relation between pressure and density. Relation between pressure and density. Pressure and density. Let us try to understand. Already we discussed the first relation in detail in the previous video. Now let me moving towards the next relation, that is second one, relation between volume and temperature. Volume and temperature. Okay. Already we know from the ideal gas equation, isn't it? What is that ideal gas equation? Ideal gas equation, from the ideal gas equation, everyone know that PV is equal to nRT. nRT. What is P? P is pressure, V is volume, N is number of moles, R is ideal gas constant or universal gas constant, T is temperature. Right? From this equation, try to find out what is P. P is nothing but nRT by V. So you know that this is 1. Now from the adiabatic, the previous equation what we studied here, PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. Okay, PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. We know that PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. Okay, now what we are saying, you can say immediately in this case, if you call it is 2. Substitute 1 in 2. Substitute 1 in 2. What you are getting, actually we get we get here P is nothing but N R T by V. This is P. V to the power gamma is equal to a constant. A constant. Now if you simplify here, N is constant, R is constant. N is constant, R is constant. So you can write here T by V into V to the power gamma is equal to a constant divided by N into R. Anyhow, N is constant for a given gas, mixture of given gas. R is also constant, so it becomes total constant. So you can write here T into V to the power gamma into here V to the power 1 in the denominator. When it goes to upside, it becomes 1 by V is equal to, you can say it is nothing but a constant. Now you can write, since V to the power 1 by V is equal to V to the power minus 1. You can write like that also. Then you are getting here, you can write immediately. It is nothing but T V to the power gamma into V to the power minus 1 is equal to a constant. A constant. Or you can club now, it is T into V to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to a constant. A constant. This is nothing but one more relation. It is the relation between the T and V. Relation between T and V or V and T. If you plot a graph, if you take temperature along y-axis in Cartesian coordinate, temperature along y-axis and pressure along temperature along y-axis and volume along x-axis. Here it is a temperature, here volume along x-axis. Then you are getting a curve like that. This is the graphical representation. Graphical representation. Okay. Representation. Graphical representation of the relation V and T. T, V to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to K. One of the very important relation. Okay. Now we discuss the second relation between V and T. Okay. Now let us try to proceed. The next relation between the pressure, the relation between the pressure and temperature, that is P and T. Okay. Let us proceed. Let me proceed in next page. Okay. Okay, now what we should do, relation between P and T. This is 3, okay. Relation between, all the relations are important while solving the problems of competitive exams. You know that either IIT, NEET or JEE Main or any other competitive examination for the entrance of your higher education, right? So all these are important. It is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. Okay. Now relation between P and T. Again, you know children, here what is the relation between P and T? Already we know from the ideal gas equation. You should proceed again from the ideal gas equation. Gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. Now our relation to get an expression for get the relation between P and T. So here the term V we should remove. So what we will take implies V is equal to nRT divided by P. Call this expression 1. Now you know that from the adiabatic equation, what we studied, the adiabatic equation. See here, this is the relation between P and V. PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. So we know that P V to the power gamma is equal to constant. Call it is 2. Substitute 1 into, because our duty to get the relation between P and T. So we should remove. Okay. So substitute V is equal to nRT by P in the expression PV to the power gamma is equal to K. Either there is a V, right? This V you should substitute nRT by P. Okay. Let me substitute that. Substitute P into nRT by V to the power nRT by P, okay, not V, P to the power gamma is equal to constant. Now what you can write here, children? I will write here n and r constant, right? N and r constant. So immediately you can write here n and r constant. Okay, then it is equal to K. So I will write here P into T to the power gamma divided by P to the power gamma is equal to K divided by N into R. Again it is constant only. Okay, it is constant. Now what I will do, in this case, I will bring P downside. Okay, P downside, you can write it is T to the power gamma whole divided by, if you bring P, now here P is in numerator, bring that into denominator, then it becomes P to the power gamma divided by P, it is in denominator, is equal to constant. Correct? Is equal to constant. Now what I will write, in this case you can write this as you can write is equal to T to the power gamma divided by P to the power gamma multiplied by 1 by P. You know that since 1 by P is nothing but P to the power minus 1. That relation you know that. Correct? Inversion. So you can write in this case T to the power gamma divided by P to the power gamma into P to the power minus 1 is equal to constant. Or that relation you can write T to the power gamma divided by P to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. This is the relation between P and T is given by T to the power gamma divided by P to the power gamma minus 1. This is the one of the important relation what we will use in the thermodynamic adiabatic process. Okay, I think it is clear now. Now here also you can plot the graph. If you plot the graph, that is nothing but the temperature versus pressure. So it is a Cartesian coordinate system. You know that there are x-axis and y-axis, right? X-axis and y-axis. Along the x-axis we are taking the pressure. Along the y-axis we are taking the temperature. And you are getting the graph like that. This is nature of the graph. Okay. So the graphical representation of T to the power gamma divided by P to the power gamma minus 1 is as, you got it, no? As follows. So this is the relation between pressure and temperature. Okay, now let us try to see one more relation. That relation is nothing but the relation between pressure and density. Pressure and density, that is P and rho. Okay, relation between pressure and density. Let us try to study that also. Okay, then Next, let us try to concentrate the one more relation. That relation is nothing but relation between pressure and density rho of a gas. Relation between pressure and density of a gas, that is P and rho. P and rho, where P is the pressure, rho is density. Okay, same equation, children, we should follow from the ideal gas equation. From the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT, right? PV is equal to nRT. Then you know one relation. What is that? This is one equation you are getting that. Then immediately you can write here density rho is equal to mass by volume. If you substitute here, volume is inversely proportional to density. If you substitute here, what you are getting actually, volume you want, right? Volume is equal to mass by rho. Therefore, okay, where rho is density of the gas, m is mass of the gas, and v is the volume of the gas. So you are getting the v. Now just to substitute the value v here v there, right? This v we are writing, it is nothing but p into m divided by rho is equal to n into RT. Okay, so you are getting. Now what you can take, that volume is inversely proportional to rho. If you take from this equation, you can immediately write, since volume here inversely proportional to rho, so volume is inversely proportional to density. PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. Here what you can take, in this case, volume is inversely proportional to density. Then this is one equation. Again, what you are getting actually from the adiabatic equation, we know that PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. From this equation, because here v there, right? Here v there. So you can immediately write what is v. V is nothing but v to the power gamma is proportional to 1 by p. V to the power gamma is proportional to 1 by p, correct? That is v to the power gamma is proportional to 1 by p. So here what you can write, what is v to the power gamma? What is v? You can write it is 1 by rho to the power gamma. 1 by rho to the power gamma is proportional to 1 by p. Proportional to 1 by p. Okay. So what you can write here actually, in this case, now it is 1 by p, right? So you can write here p divided by rho to the power gamma is equal to a constant. So you can write immediately from this equation. What you can write from this equation, you can write 1 by rho to the power gamma is equal to, because what I have done actually, in order to get the relation between pressure and density, first I consider the PV is equal to nRT gas equation. From this equation, you know that volume is inversely proportional to density. So we know adiabatic equation, PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. V is inversely proportional to rho. In the place of V, I will write here 1 by rho to the power gamma. And from adiabatic equation, V to the power gamma inversely proportional to P. Okay. So 1 by rho to the power gamma, volume I substituted. proportional to 1 by p. Now I will again remove that proportionality constant is equal to some constant into 1 by p. 1 by p. So what you can write here? In this case now again you can write if you want. It is 1 divided by rho to the power gamma is equal to some k by p. Or you can write here in this case p by rho to the power gamma is equal to constant. This is the relation. I think it is clear how to get the relation between pressure and density. If you plot the graph, in this case between, if you plot the graph, what you are getting actually along y axis pressure and along x axis density. Along x axis density. Okay, so you are getting it is pressure and density. So I will take it is 0 here, density of the substance, and here pressure p of the substance. Pressure p of the substance. Okay, that things you should remember. One more things. So what is that? And the nature of the graph you are getting, it is like this. Okay, now once again I will going to explain what and all we learned in this video. See here, various relation between pressure, volume and temperature in case of an adiabatic process. We learnt the relation between P and V, that is PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. Relationship between the volume and temperature, that is V and T, and that is nothing but T V to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. And we studied in detail how to get the relation between the pressure and the temperature, that is P and T, that you are getting here actually T to the power gamma divided by P to the power gamma minus 1. Relation between pressure and density, how to obtain that relation also we learnt in detail without confusion. That is nothing but P divided by rho to the power gamma is equal to a constant. Okay, children, I will conclude that video, this video now. In next video, let us try to understand more concepts on adiabatic process. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.